Hi, today we will go through the template settings. In the template section, you can see on the left side your available options. You can add an image in JPEG or PNG format. Use this to import your background, if made in Photoshop or other software. If you want some logos in the print, import them here and place them in your template. With the layer function, you can adjust the place in ranking from top to bottom where your image is, so you can put, let's say, a picture of flowers or a logo over the photo when you use a transparent format like a PNG file. Photo from Booth will add the pictures your camera will make to the template. If you want 3 pictures on the template, you should add 3. DSLR Booth will make as many pictures to fill your added photos. If you want to add some basic text, you can do this with the text option here. You can adjust the color, change your font, and add a drop shadow if you like. With the session data, you can add some automatic data to your template, like the guest signature option. Put this on the template where you want your guest signature to be printed. If you have the survey option enabled, you can print some of the answers to your prints by adding them here to your template. Use the shape option to add some basic shapes to your template. You can add a QR code to your prints. For now, it's not possible to change the link of the QR code to something different. If you want a background color, you can select one here. On your lower right, you will find the option settings. Scroll down if you don't see these settings. You can add a stroke to your photo frames by adding them here. Choose your color and the stroke width. If you like, you can add also a shadow. Play with the settings and adjust to your liking. On the left top view of the template editor, you can select a new template. These are presets where you can start your design. Choose one that you like so you don't have to start from scratch. You can give your template a name. Save as new lets you save your design for easy access and future use. You can find your saved templates here. You can import templates made on another computer here, or export the ones you made for use on other computers. You can print a test copy if your printer is connected and configured here. Delete your template to free up some space if you like, or shop for extra templates online here. If you want your guests to be able to choose between different templates at the start of a session, just make the one you want available a favorite by giving them a star. When the session starts, the guest can choose between the favorite templates. On your lower left side, you find the layout settings. If you want to print 2 stripes, you can do this here. You can do this in 2 ways. The first option is using a vertical layout and a 4x6 paper size format. Use a preset if you like. Make sure your printer settings are set up for cutting the paper. You do this under the printing menu, choose Configure Printer, then select your printer, and in the driver settings, find the cutting option of your printer and turn it on. You can't activate the cutting function in DSLR Booth itself. It is a printer setting. The second option is to set the paper size to 2x6 and select the Print 2 per page option. For fine-tuning, you can use numeric values to move or rotate your selected photo or graphic files. Select multiple items to align them with the Align and Distribute functions. Exit the template editor with the Open Photo Booth button on your upper right. A quick tip. You can select and drag pictures in DSLR Booth to reprint any selected template with these pictures. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.